About functions. Functions. All right, here is the definition you would see in a math textbook. A function is where every input has only one output. That is the textbook definition of a function, but I'm not going to lie, I really don't like that definition because it really doesn't help me understand jack. Are you with me? All right, here's a better one. Instead of saying every input, every x has only one y. I like that one a little better, but I've got an even better one that I'm going to add. All right, think of dating. We all understand dating. Are you with me? Okay, girls have the XX chromosomes. Boys have the XY chromosome. Are you with me? So the girls only have X's, and the boys are the only one with the Y. So my definition is where every girl can have only one boyfriend. And that becomes crystal clear on what a function is. Every X or every girl is only allowed one boyfriend. Any questions so far? So today, they're going to give us some sets of points, data. We've got to look at the X's and see if every X only has one Y or every girl only has one boyfriend. If every girl has one boyfriend, it is a... If I find a girl that's cheating, it is not going to be a function. Are you with me? All right, so let's look at some data. So the first thing you're going to have to look at is tables. Let's look at this first table. Who is girl number 3's boyfriend? Do y'all agree that girl 3 is dating boy 5? Yeah. Does girl 3 have any other boyfriends? She ain't cheating. Let's go to 2. Who's her boyfriend? 6. Is 2 cheating? No. How about 1? Who's her boyfriend? 7. Is she cheating? No. How about 0? Who's her boyfriend? 8. Is she cheating? No. Are any of the ladies cheating? No. Then this is a function. All right? Take a look at this second set of data. Who's girl number 4's boyfriend? 8. Who's girl number 3's boyfriend? 7. Who's girl number 2's boyfriend? 6. Who's girl number 2's second boyfriend? 5. Do you agree that girl number 2 has 2 different boyfriends? Yeah. That is a violation of the law of functions. Is this a function? No. Nope.
I like these.
So far, you do.
Come on, man. Is this just the basics of it? Literally. Is this how it actually works?
Okay.
Oh my.
Let's look at number 3. Keep your comments to yourself if you have any inappropriate comments. Okay. Who's girl number 8's boyfriend?
5.
Does 8 have any other boyfriends?
No.
So she's not cheating. Who's 9's boyfriend?
5.
Is she cheating?
No.
How about 10? Is she cheating?
No.
How about 11? Is she cheating?
No.
Are any of the girls cheating?
No.
Okay, ladies, I hate to tell you this. In the law of functions only, boys, don't start smiling. The guys usually smile right here. Girls can only have one boyfriend. Unfortunately, the boys can have unlimited girlfriends. Only in the law of functions. We're not talking real world here, guys. If you go get 4 girlfriends, they're going to find out about each other, and then all 4 of them are going to beat the ever-loving crud out of you. Are you with me? That's the way the real world works. Okay. But in the law of functions, this is okay. That is a function. Questions? All right, let's keep going. They might give you what's called a mapping. Let's take a look at a mapping. A mapping is 2 bubbles. There'll be numbers in one bubble. There'll be numbers in another bubble. There will be lines connecting numbers from this bubble to that bubble. My question is, we need to know which one of them is the axis. So which one do y'all think is the axis? The left or the right?
The left.
It is like a table. The x's will always be on the left. The y's will always be on the right, but they won't write that. But these numbers are the girls. These are the boys. Is 3 cheating?
No.
4?
No.
5?
No.
Nobody's cheating. That is a function.
So they don't have to be right next to each other?
No. The line tells you who their boyfriend is. Okay, take a look at this one. Is 3 cheating?
No.
Her boyfriend's number 10. What about 10? Is she cheating? Yeah. 10 has 2 boyfriends. Who's her first boyfriend?
8.
Who's her second boyfriend?
12.
So 10 cannot have 2 boyfriends according to the law of functions. This one is not a function.
How bad? She's cheating.
Never mind, I like these.
So far. Questions so far? Yes.
Wait, so 2 different ones can go the same?
Hold up. Why are y'all talking while she's talking? Quit being rude. Let's try it again.
So 3 and 12 can both go to the same Y.
Sure.
You can do that.
Well, who's 3's boyfriend?
10.
Yep. Who's 10's boyfriend?
What?
She's asking about the
8
12.
and 12.
She's asking about the number 12 also.
Yeah, 12 can go to 10. You need to look at the girl and see who her boyfriend is. If she has 2 boyfriends, it's not a function. This girl right here has a boyfriend number 8 and a second boyfriend number 12. She is cheating. That one causes it to be not a function. Yes,
Why can the boys be cheating?
it's just the way it is.
Wait, so is it in this like table, would it be only girls, and if it has doubles, if they have the same boyfriend, then it's not a function and it can't be the other way around?
Boys can have 2 girlfriends.
Like no,
Girls
but like
cannot.
in this table.
What table? Which one?
This one, like
These are called mappings.
nothing.
Okay, what is your question?
So in these ones, it's only on the girl side, there's no boy.
That's what the law said. Every girl is only allowed 1 boyfriend. That's what the law states. It doesn't say anything about boys. Boys can have unlimited girlfriends. Yes.
What's the point of function?
Functions are used to map one value to another. It's a family in math that you're going to study the most. All of next year and most of high school, you study functions. Yeah. All right, one more. Let's take a look at a graph.
I don't like this.
They don't like you, but you need to learn to get along. Let's look at some graphs. Now, for a graph to pass or to be a function, everybody put a star by this, it must pass the vertical line test. So every time you see a graph, your brain should be thinking, okay, it's got to pass the vertical line test to be a function. If it fails the vertical line test, it is immediately not a function. We got a lot of talking today. Y'all want to start doing push-ups?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, so let's take a look at this first graph. We have 6 different dots. If you draw a vertical line anywhere on this graph, let's start right here. How many times does the vertical line hit the graph? Once. That means, by the way, the X's are here. This X, let's call it -5 for the girl. She only has how many boyfriends? One. Let's draw a vertical line right here. Let's call this X -3. How many boyfriends does she have?
One.
Let's draw a vertical line right here. Let's call that -1 for the X. How many boyfriends?
One.
How many boyfriends?
One.
How many boyfriends?
One.
How many boyfriends?
One.
Are any of the girls cheating?
No.
That is a function. It passed the vertical line test. If the vertical line hits 2 different points, that means that girl has 2 different boyfriends. Now let's just do it this way. Let's say we've got a sideways V. If I draw a vertical line right here, how many times does the vertical line hit the graph?
2.
That means, let's call this girl number 2. Girl number 2 has a boyfriend here, whatever his number is. She has a second boyfriend here. Doesn't matter what their numbers are. It failed the vertical line test. This is not a function. And let's look at one more. All right, let's check it. Is this girl cheating?
Chess.
This girl right here, whatever her number is, she has 2 boyfriends. Is that going to be a function?
No.
Nope. We found one X that has 2 different Y's. It failed the vertical line test. So the vertical line test, you can draw a vertical line. Vertical goes this way, by the way. Anywhere on the graph, if it hits your vertical line twice, that means she's cheating. She's got 2 boyfriends. Not a function, not a function. Here, none of the girls hit the vertical line twice. Questions? Yes?
Are all the points girls? And like, what is
The X's are the girls. This point is the boy. So whatever number that is, let's make it up. 7, 8. Girl number 7 is dating boy number 8. That's how you read a graph. Girl number 2 is dating boy number 4. Are you with me? You don't need to worry about the numbers. You need to worry about the vertical line test.
Chess.
All right, I think we're ready for the homework.
Yeah.